Hi everyone, welcome back. I would like to try to do another dirty pour. The last time I tried one, it was semi-successful. So I'm hoping this time I can do it correctly and have it work the way I want. And to do this, I am going to be using Let's Resin's epoxy resin. I am going to use dark slate green mica powder, golden, and I want to try some iridescent white. And fingers crossed it'll work this time. This will only be the second time I've used this mold, and the last time I wasn't sure how much resin to mix up, so I had only mixed up about 10 ounces. This time I think I'm going to cut it down to 6, and we'll see how it does. So let me get some resin mixed up and then we'll get started. Alright, my heat mat just shut off. So let's see how this looks. I did have a little bit of resin left over, so I did a couple flowers. Very bendy. And I did a bear. So let's get him. I just broke it. Okay, so maybe it's not ready to demold. Oh my god. I've never had that happen. I decapitated the poor bear. Jeez, I wonder if I could glue his head back on. Okay, we'll set him aside. Okay, the last time I made this bowed out too, so I'm wondering if it's the mold. I mean, this thing is still really hot. See if we can unmold it here. I think it was probably a little too warm to unmold, but look at it. You know, you can see the green and the gold. I don't see the iridescent powder. Well, maybe like when you look at it at an angle, you can see it there. It's interesting. I mean, it's not bad. I can see, you know, lots of different patterns in the resin. And you can see where it bowed. That has to be something in the mold. But other than that, I like it. This actually looks a bit marbled, but I do like it. It didn't turn out quite like I envisioned, but it's not bad. Alright guys, that's all I have for today. If you like what you saw, give me a thumbs up. Leave me a comment. What do you think about it? What would you do different? And how about, you know, I want to try this again. Why don't you guys give me some color suggestions? And if I have them, maybe I'll try them. We'll see you again soon. Bye.